Dude, I fuck. And
Come
then,
on, son, come get a roly-poly-oly.
You know what they call it in Australia?
Oh my god, Kyle.
How are you?
Oh my god, Kyle.
I'm so confused. I was like,
power up, use your power up, use your... Oh.
That's what was my power up to turn into him.
I seriously, you had me tricked for like 30 seconds. I was like, why? How are you alive?
Look at Max.
The hell?
Max is gonna win. Max, if you just sit there and do that, you're gonna win. Hey, press, what's the button? Hold on.
I
What's the
don't.
button to do that? Press F4. Max.
I heard it.
It was there.
F4 is a taunt button.
Who the fuck is this?
Max, right click, right click, right click, right click! Oh!
No, fuck you.
I'm a tiny fuck. Hey, you're so dumb.
Damn it! I killed 3 people. I'm stuck. What the heck's going on right now?
What is hurting me?
What is happening? Why am I stuck right now? Hey, move! What are you doing to me? I'm stuck on the floor. Is this fucking Jumanji? Okay, now you're the one that says taste risk. Taste test risk. Risks.
It's that guy. It's him. It's him.
Wait.
The guy
This
that
guy?
just fucking gave you a little kiss.
This
Where'd
kid in
he
the
go?
corner?
There you go. Oh.
God damn it. It was this guy.
It wasn't him.
That's fucking it.
This guy went and gave him a little kiss.
Ooh. Ooh.
What are you fucking doing? What are you doing? You're an idiot. Like, they saw you doing this. Like, they're just like, kill you right away.
Ooh.
Someone right at you? Oh my god, someone is.
Oh god.
Oh my god, I can't believe this.
Oh, he's like. Oh, wait. What do you want? Get the fuck out of here, you stupid.
Oh my god. Is someone like AFK?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Did you?
I don't know how that worked, but that was pretty fucking good. That was stealthy. Fuck.
That was my koi.
That wasn't Mac. Oops.
I hope they see you doing this. Like,
Wait, can I?
I don't want to say too much. But
Oh.
What are you doing?
Oh my god!
Found this video online. It's fucking nasty. Oh yeah, you don't want to click the link in the Discord. It's
Oh my god. Even the fucking picture, dude. Even the fucking picture. Let me get rid of that shit. Stop. Holy shit.